9 ways to hit it off to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our relationship-related idiom for today is to hit it off. This is one of those idioms that dates back. This one actually dates back to the 1780s, and it's associated with an archaic definition of the word hit. During the 1600s, hitten, H-Y-T-T-A-N, and hitten, H-I-T-T-A-N, meant to meet up with somebody or to come upon someone. And so over time, to hit it off meant to be friendly with somebody, to be friendly with one another pretty much immediately. Not always. Sometimes first impressions prevent us from hitting it off right off the bat, but usually to hit it off means that you get along with somebody right off the bat. You meet them and you have some kind of instant rapport or connection. Rapport or connection. So I'm going to share 9 different ways to build rapport with people, because we all need to know how to quickly get along with, build relationships, and build some common ground in order to build and grow and supersize our business. I have yet to meet a business owner who has grown a huge, and you decide what huge and supersize means to you, but multi-million dollar, $1 million for sure, but beyond business all by themselves. I think you can reach $1 million by yourself, being the head and then just helping and doing things. But to reach multi-millions, it takes more than just you. It takes relationships and other people. And even to get to $1 million, it takes people to buy things, either your products or services from you. So that involves relationships. So what are some of the ways that we can build rapport with people in order to hit it off more quickly, more easily, and more smoothly? I would say number 1, intend to connect in a positive way, and have the intention of, as you meet people, you're going to have a positive interaction and you're going to hit it off. Decide, I'm going to hit it off with everybody I meet, and you will automatically behave in ways that make people like you more. Number 2, be yourself, be authentic. People can smell a fake and a phony or somebody that's posing or pretending a mile away. So just forget all that nonsense, take off all the masks and veils, and just be yourself. Number 3, establish strong two-way communication. Ask questions. Asking questions is one of the most powerful ways to get people to tell you everything you need to know about them. And if you're asking questions, you will very quickly find common ground, things that you have in common that you can build a relationship on or ask more questions about. The person asking the questions is always in a position of power. I lost count of numbers. I think we're on number 4. Check your appearance. Number 5, remember the basics. And under basic, things like be culturally appropriate, smile, relax, make eye contact, remember people's names, hold your head up, and have good posture. If you're slouching and looking depressed, who's going to want to hit it off with you? Only slouching, depressed people that are in the same stature as you. Listen very carefully and attentively. Again, people tell us everything we need to know if we just listen. The whole 2 ears, 1 mouth for a reason. I love that. I can't remember what motivational speaker or personal development guru came up with that, but it was brilliant, of course. I think it might be why we were designed with 2 ears and 1 mouth. Don't overstay your welcome. That means don't stay in a conversation if it starts to get challenging or difficult. Find a polite way to exit and then reconnect at another time. Maybe number 6. I lost count of our numbers. Find common ground. Of course, we're looking for things that we have in common, because that's how we build rapport and we have things to build a relationship on. Create shared experiences. Find things that you have in common and then talk about the experiences that you've had. That's a great way to build rapport. Be empathetic. Pay attention. Be empathetic. Understand where other people are coming from. And then mirror and match is another strategy for building rapport. So I would love to know your experience with to hit it off. Have you had people that you've just hit it off with and automatically and easily and effortlessly formed a relationship? Share stories about that. Otherwise, have you never heard this idiom or expression? I am flabbergasted by the people and by the expressions that I either had the wrong meaning of in my mind based on what other people understand, or people that have never even heard of certain expressions. And I think it depends, since we're now a global economy, it depends who we're talking to and who we're interacting with, whether people have heard of some of these idioms and expressions or not. All right, have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow with another relationship-related idiom. A few more days of that. for the month of June, and then we are going to hop into, I can't remember the next one. I think it's contribution, but I could be wrong, so don't hold me to that. All right, relationships tomorrow again. If there's a relationship-related idiom that you are just dying to know the meaning of and the origin of and how you can apply it to building and growing your business, ask. Otherwise, I will pick one and be with you tomorrow. Have an awesome Monday. Bye.